Dear students, today we are going to the set theory, the session 5 set functions. Set function the definition. A set function is a function whose input is a set. The output is usually a number. Often the input is a set of real numbers. A set function is a function whose input is what? A set. Then output is what? A usually number. Often the input is a set of real numbers. A set of points. A set of points in Euclidean space or a set of points in some measure space. For example, the function that assigns each set is cardinality, that is the number of members of the set, is a set function. The function d of a is equals to limit as n tends to infinity into bracket a intersection flower bracket 1 2 3 and so on n flower bracket completed, then divides n. It assigning what densities and sufficiently well behaved subsets of a. A is subset of in flower bracket 1 2 3 and so on flower bracket completed is a set function. This shows what? A set function. The next one is the Lebesgue measure. The Lebesgue measure is a set function that assigns non-negative real numbers to any set functions. Lebesgue measure ಏನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ it is a set function. It assigns what? A non-negative real numbers to any set function. For example, any open or closed interval AB of real numbers is Lebesgue measurable, and its Lebesgue measure is the length is what? B minus A, because lower interval is A, upper interval is B. Its length is what? Measuring the Lebesgue measuring the length is what? B minus A. The open interval AB has the same measure since the difference between the two sets consists only of the endpoints A and B, and has measure is becomes 0. Every Borel set is a Lebesgue measurable. Any countable set of real numbers has a Lebesgue measurable. The Cantor set of the set of Levallois numbers are examples of uncountable sets that have Lebesgue measure is becomes 0. They are what? Lebesgue measure the examples ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then a function that assigns the numbers 0 to each set, we could call this the zero function. A function that assigns what? Numbers 0 to each set, we could call this one is what? Zero function ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is no function, it is what? Zero function. A function that assigns the number 1 to set if it contains the word zebra and assigns the number 0 otherwise, we could call this the characteristics function for the word zebra. A function that assigns to each set to itself, we could call this the identity function. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a function that assigns the each set to itself ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ that function is identity function. A function that assigns the integer n to set if the set can be out in one-to-one correspondence with the set of integers 1 2 3 so on n. This is what? Similar to the cardinality function, but as it stands, it only work for finite sets. To make it true set functions, we would have extend it to assign an output to infinite sets as well as in the sets. So ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅರ್ಥ the finite and infinite sets the characteristics ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. and its properties ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ let A be any set subsets of E containing the empty set. ಹಂಗಾರೆ let A be any set of subsets of E it containing the empty set. A set function is a function ಅಂದ್ರೆ set function ಒಂದು function mu maps a such that the interval 0 to 1 with mu of the dot is becomes 0. Let mu be the set function. Say that mu is increasing if for all a b to a with a minus b, that is mu of a is less than mu of b. Andre to comparison, say that mu is what additive if for all disjoint sets ab to a with a union b is belongs to set a, mu of a union b is equals to mu of a plus mu of b. It is what formula for the operations of two sets like as in case of union. Say that mu is countably additive. It is countably additive if for all sequences of disjoint sets. ಅಂದರೆ sequences of disjoint sets ಇದ್ರೆ an such that n is belongs to capital N, it means a set of natural numbers in a with a union of n, that is an is belongs to a. Then this construction of measures, let a be a set of subsets of e. Say that a is a ring on e. If null set is belongs to a and for all a and b, that 2 is also contained a, b divides a is also belongs to a union b is belongs to a. Say that a is algebra on e. If phi is or null set is belongs to a and for all ab is belongs to a, then a is subset of 2 a, then a union b is subset of a. So it means what? the two sets, the construction of these measures and the expression of its characteristics. So next Carothers extension theorem ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ in set functions ಒಳಗ. Let a be a ring of subset of e, then and let mu is such that a, the interval 0 to infinity, be countably additive set function. Then mu extends to a measures on the algebra generated by a. Its proof is what? For any b is subset and equivalent to e, it define the outer measure. Mu of b is equals to inferior of summation of n mu of an, where the infimum is taken over all sequences an such that n is belongs to capital N. In a such that b is the subset of mu and intersection of n and is taken to the infinity. If there is no such sequences, note that mu is increasing and mu of null set equals to 0. Let us say that a is subset and equivalent to e is mu measurable if for all b is subset of e, mu of b is equals to mu of b intersection a bracket close plus mu of b intersection of ac bracket close. Write that m for the set of all mu measurable sets. We shall show that m is a algebra containing a and that mu is measurable on m extending mu. This will prove the theorem. In functions once again ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ the third fundamental notation in the set theory or after the set itself and a relation is a function. The idea of function is almost everywhere. For example, in algebra, the geometry and trigonometry and course of calculus, what comes under what? Function or relation. Let a and b be the two sets if by some correspondence denoted by f, ಅಂದ್ರೆ function of f ಅಂತೀವಿ, we associated every element x is belongs to a to unique element b is also belongs to b itself, then this correspondence f is called function or mapping from set a into the ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ.